Alright guys, this is all. Oh my god. It's supposed to be a cleanup thing. We have fireworks still going. Oh ding. Oh. Oh. Okay, guys. You guys could see all of it. He's really black, but oh my god, there's literally sparkles. Oh my god, where's that thing that almost caught fire? See all the red dots from the sparkles.
So we clean up the crime scene.
Don't say that. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! No, they actually spread. They actually. If y'all want to see it, I got it all in video. Chat, this is all before. Literally all before. Daddy, by the way, don't say that because I don't want YouTube banning me. I don't want YouTube moderating this video, dude. I don't want YouTube moderating this video. Alright. That's pretty much it, right? Well, all night we're gonna be hearing fireworks. So guys, I hope y'all enjoy this video and see you guys in the next one. Bye!